vegan recipes with Pat and Emily. It's vegan.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 types of melon smoothies. And these are really tasty. I never thought that I would like a watermelon drink, but I think when you try it, you're gonna like it as well. All 3 recipes start with 1 cup of frozen melon, 1 frozen banana, probably a medium-sized, fully ripe banana, and then 1 cup of some type of liquid. I'm using several liquids. I have coconut water, one with this coconut limeade ice. I have almond milk and grapefruit juice. So I'm going to show you the variations on each of these. I'm going to start with the watermelon first. This one's the really tart one. It's got 1 cup of grapefruit juice, about 1 cup of frozen watermelon, and then the frozen banana.
All of the watermelon smoothies will be made following this equation. The only exception will be that we will switch out the liquid that we use.
So it makes about 2 cups, and I'm going to put a piece of watermelon on the side. This was the first beverage that I made. This was the watermelon and the grapefruit juice with banana. All of these can be made without banana, but the banana really makes it smooth and creamy. But this one's going to be pretty tart. I love it, and I don't like tart things, but this is really tasty. Now this next one, this was with the watermelon and the coconut water, and again the banana. Just a nice refreshing taste. And this is the one that was made with ice, coconut limeade. That hint of lime just really adds to it. I also wanted to show you, you can freeze it and label it, but when you freeze it, it's going to be very solid. So you would have to thaw it a little bit and possibly put it back in your blender. The next smoothie that I am making, I am using the sparkling ice, the coconut limeade flavor. Now this is carbonated, so I'm using a larger blender because it will expand a little bit. So as always, best practice, start with your liquid. I've got a cup of honeydew, and I have 1 frozen banana. Make sure you've got it closed. Normally what happens is when we buy a watermelon or a cantaloupe, some type of melon, we find out that we can't eat it as fast as we need to eat it. So I freeze that leftover fully ripe melon in the freezer, and it makes perfect smoothies. If you listen closely, you might hear the fizz. And I'm garnishing it with a piece of honeydew. I'll be back. The last smoothie that I'm going to demonstrate is going to be a cantaloupe one with unsweetened almond milk. I'm going to pour my almond milk in my blender, my frozen cantaloupe. I'm going to blend it a tiny bit because I don't think the banana will fit in until I get that smashed up a bit. Now I have room. I'm going to pour it into a glass and show you a garnish. I think I need a spoon to get that one out. And there you have it. I'll be back with a few other flavors and a taste test. I have a few more flavors to show you. This one was honeydew, and it was made with that sparkling ice water. Very refreshing. This was the one that was cantaloupe, almond milk, and banana. Very creamy. It kind of reminds me of cantaloupe ice cream that my brother and sister-in-law make. And this is a golden honeydew. It has a little bit different taste than a regular honeydew. And I made this one with grapefruit juice and the golden honeydew. You really can't taste the honeydew but the grapefruit is coming through and it is nice and refreshing and extremely tart. I'll be back in a little bit to show you some popsicles. Hey, we are back with the popsicles, and this is the watermelon one. Do you boys want to taste it and let me know what you think?
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
All right. Thanks for watching.